Hello, I'm Antoinette Bone, estate planning, probate, elder law, and guardianship attorney in the Dallas-Fort Worth metroplex. Today is part one of a two-part series on choosing a fiduciary. Fiduciaries can hold a lot of power when it comes to the successful execution of one's estate plan. They make crucial financial decisions, act as advocates for your wishes, make sure an estate's debts are settled, and ensure that each beneficiary gets what they are intended to receive. As such, choosing the right individual to carry out these duties can be the difference between successfully carrying out your wishes and a complete calamity. When it comes to choosing the best individual for the role, many are immediately inclined to choose a loved one. But sometimes close family members and friends aren't always the best choice. So what is a fiduciary? Well, I'm glad you asked. A fiduciary is someone who owes a series of duties to another person within the scope of their relationship. Fiduciaries may carry out many different roles in the execution of an estate plan. They can be trustees of a trust, executors of a will, agents under a financial power of attorney, or guardians of minor children or an incapacitated adult who may be entrusted with money or property. Agents under a healthcare power of attorney are also referred to as fiduciaries, although their surrogate decisions aren't directly related to finances. In each instance, the fiduciary has a great deal of responsibility. Therefore, you should give thoughtful consideration to who would be the most appropriate individual to fill each role. First, let's touch on the general attributes that you should look for when selecting any type of fiduciary. While many people may be tempted to select a close family friend or family member to serve in the fiduciary role, it is crucial to make sure that the candidate has the capacity and capability to carry out this role. Aside from the general requirement that a fiduciary be an adult, 18 years of age or older, I encourage you to think about whether that person has any known medical challenges or legal impediments that might prevent them from fulfilling their duties as fiduciary. When planning for the near and distant future, you should also consider an individual's potential longevity and availability. Sometimes the most technically qualified individual may be too busy to undertake the responsibilities of serving as your fiduciary. Typically, the general attributes of a good fiduciary are that the person is trustworthy, responsible and organized, accountable, independent, financially stable, and secure. In the next video, we will discuss some specific questions to answer when choosing a fiduciary for specific roles. I'm Antoinette Bone, estate planning, probate, elder law, and guardianship attorney in the Dallas-Fort Worth metroplex. Call me at 817-462-5454 or email my office at info@abonelaw.com to schedule a time to start your estate planning journey. If you found this content useful and would like to see more like it, please subscribe to my page and don't forget to tell your family and friends. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.